Check out this 2006 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 has just under 135,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, CD player, tinted windows, driver airbag and heated mirrors. Call 888-737-4550 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.